say the dot wasn't in the middle of that last mirror. You're going to have to do a beam alignment from the first mirror on. So back at the tube mirror, the mirror closest to the tube, right? This is the bridge mirror, this is the final mirror. That's what you're looking for right there, is that circle. See how it's a round dot? So you'll shoot from this mirror, mirror number 1, to mirror number 2. If it's way off, you're going to have to bring the bridge forward, shoot it, and then bring it back 2 to 3 inches at a time until you can shoot the dot here pretty much in the same position when the bridge all the way forward and all the way back. Then bring this one forward for the 2B, shoot it, adjust it, shoot it, adjust it, shoot it, adjust it until it's all the way back. Now you should be able to shoot in all 4 corners. Then put your tape underneath the nozzle here. And then what happens at that point is you're going to adjust from the top. When that's all done, remember there is retaining rings on each one. So as you dial a mirror in, you tighten these retaining rings down firm. Do not over crank them. You can crank that screw right off. Do the first mirror, do the second mirror once it's in, do the third mirror once you're down through the nozzle. If you do a job and you feel this area here is warm, you're clipping the beam, you're going to eventually crack the lens, and what will happen is you're losing 50% of your power. So once you do phase 4 is I'll put a piece of 2-inch acrylic or 1-inch acrylic to 1/2-inch acrylic underneath the unit, and I'll put the max power back on 95 where it belongs, and I'll shoot down, and I should be able to shoot up and down, seeing that beam is going straight up and down. Should be straight up and down at least for the first 1/4 to 1/2 an inch. After that, it could start to diverge because a 2-inch lid is really not meant to go deeper than that.